Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can sign up for AOL Mail. So, you can sign up for AOL from the AOL app on your mobile device, or you could also go to your browser and type in AOL.com and you can sign in from both of those. So, I have downloaded the AOL app on my mobile device, so I'll simply open it. After that, I'll go to the settings option, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on add account. Now it will take you to this page where if you already have an account, you can simply log into your account, but since we don't have an account, we'll simply tap on create an account, and here you will have to enter all of the details such as first name, last name, email address, password, mobile number, birthday and gender. So quickly fill out all these details. Now, after you filled out all of the details, tap continue. Then tap on text me a verification code so that it will text you a verification code in order to verify your account. So as you can see, the verification code has arrived. So simply type in the verification code and tap on verify. And there you have it. You have successfully signed up for AOL Mail and created an AOL account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.